Hey guys, welcome back to Cryptology. In today's episode, we're going to show you how to buy Labs Group within your MetaMask wallet. First of all, you click the hamburger token at the top left corner of your screen. Then you go to your browser, type in app.uniswap.org. And you'll see in this first bubble, you have the options for what you would like to trade for Labs. I'm going to do Ethereum. The next bubble, select a token, click that. That's where you're going to paste the contract address, which I usually get mine from CoinMarketCap. You copy it here. You can also go to the Telegram for Labs Group to get the address. I'm going to paste it. After that, you'll see Labs pop up here. You might see a little pink import button, which you're going to definitely want to import it. Then you put in your desired amount of Ethereum. I'm just going to put a small amount for demonstrational purposes. And now it says no liquidity. Click to trade with V2. You're going to want to click that. Switch it back to Uniswap V2. Now you click the swap button, then confirm swap. Now you can click this edit button here to see what speeds you have and what the fee is. I usually click average because it's a pretty good speed, but yet it saves you some money. Then you click confirm. And now it has officially hit your wallet. Now you can push this button, add Labs to MetaMask. That will add the token to your wallet so you can see your balance. Then close, go back to wallet, and your Labs should appear right there. If you found this video informative and liked the content, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Goodbye.